Hi there, I'm Mrs. Glaser, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble a clarinet mouthpiece. When you open your case, the first thing you want to find is your reed, which looks like this. And you want to start by getting that wet for about 30 seconds, and I normally just put it in my mouth while I'm assembling the rest of my clarinet. I'm going to skip that part for now so I can show you how to do the rest, but you would just go ahead and leave that in your mouth. Now you want to find your mouthpiece, which looks like this, and your barrel. The good news about this is there's only one way to put it together, so you can't really mess it up. You want to find the end of your mouthpiece that has the cork on it, and you want to insert that into the narrow end of your barrel. And you may need to twist and push in order to do that, but it should go together. If you're having some trouble doing that, you may need to add a thin layer of cork grease to the cork so that it's able to slide in more easily. Now it's time to add the reed. We want to find the flat part of the reed, which is also normally the part with the writing on it, and we want to line that up with the flat part of the mouthpiece. When we add the reed, we want to make sure it's going straight up and down and isn't veering off to the side like that. We also want to make sure it's not too low or too high. If we do it correctly, there should be just a thin layer of black showing at the tip of the mouthpiece. Now it's time to add the ligature. The ligature is the device that holds your reed onto your mouthpiece. My ligature happens to be silver, but they could also be gold or black. When I add my ligature, the screws should touch the reed. And each ligature is slightly different. Sometimes the screws are on the top and they touch the black part of the mouthpiece. And if you have one of those, I'll show you how to do that in class, but the idea is the same. We want to slide our ligature down over our mouthpiece and our barrel. Over our mouthpiece. And we want to make sure that it's down over the fattest part of the mouthpiece and it's not up here like this. It should be all the way down. You might have to adjust your reed just slightly because it may have moved a little bit when you added your ligature. Finally, the last thing to do is just tighten the screws slightly on your ligature, and it should look just like this. In my next video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make the first sound on the clarinet, so feel free to watch that one as well. Thanks!